And now I'm going to teach you two new notes, C sharp and D natural on the A string. And with those two notes, we'll be able to play the D major scale in its entirety. So let's review the notes that we already know, starting on open D, E natural, F sharp, G, open A, B natural, and now the two new notes, C sharp, second finger on the A string, and D natural, third finger on the A string. And that's a D major scale. Now, let's pluck those notes together, starting with D natural, open D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's descend or go backwards on the D major scale, starting on third finger on the A string. And notice that I'm going to use fourth finger for the A natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play the entire scale again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we'll use the bow, playing Arco, D major scale, making sure that your frame is very well curved. The wrist is not jutting out, but is straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's play together French folk song in D major, starting with third finger on the A string, D natural. 1, 2, 3. And now let's play that Arco. One, two, three. And now you can play it in D major.